Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use the DJI Flip drone. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced drone user, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from unboxing and setup to smart shooting modes and manual flight controls. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to take full advantage of the DJI Flip drone's features and capture stunning footage effortlessly. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I've put together a detailed review of this drone. If you want a deeper look, check out the link in the video description. If you have the Fly More combo, your package includes DJI Flip drone, DJI RC2 remote controller, 3 batteries, smart charging hub, extra propellers, propeller replacement tool, data cable, documentation, and DJI sticker. Everything comes neatly packed in a travel pouch, making it easy to carry. Now that we know what's inside, let's move on to setting up the drone for its first flight. So here is what you have to do. Charge the batteries before the first use. Then insert the battery. Slide the battery into the designated slot until it clicks into place. Then unfold the drone. The DJI Flip has a foldable design, so start by unfolding the arms and ensuring the propellers are clear from obstructions. The DJI Flip powers on automatically when unfolded. If you want to turn off the drone, simply fold it back and it will turn off automatically after 5 seconds. Connect to DJI Fly app. Download and install the DJI Fly app on your smartphone. Open up the app and connect the drone via Wi-Fi. Firmware updates. If prompted, update the firmware to ensure optimal performance. Now that we've set up the drone, let's move on to how to control it. The DJI Flip can be flown in 2 ways: hand control mode without a remote controller, or remote control mode using the DJI RC2. This mode allows you to operate the drone with simple onboard controls, making it incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. There is a dedicated button on a drone that lets you cycle through different modes. Once you've selected the one you want, simply press and hold the button and the drone will take off automatically. For added convenience, the DJI Flip features a small display on the front that shows the current mode along with the audio feedback to confirm your selection. The system ensures effortless control and makes capturing professional-looking shots easier than ever. The DJI Flip offers several automated shooting modes both through the onboard mode control button and via the DJI Fly app. Follow, the drone locks onto a subject and follows it autonomously. Droney, it flies backward and upward while keeping the subject in frame. Circle, the drone orbits around the subject, creating a cinematic effect. Rocket, it ascends straight up while keeping the camera focused downward. Spotlight, you control the drone's movement while it keeps the subject locked in frame. Direction track, the drone moves into fixed direction while tracking the subject. Helix, it spirals outward and upward while keeping the subject in frame. Boomerang, the drone moves in an elliptical path around the subject, creating a dynamic reveal effect. These intelligent flight modes make capturing stunning, high-quality shots incredibly easy and fun, eliminating the need for a second operator while still achieving professional results. Controlling the DJI Flip drone is even easier with the DJI Fly app on your smartphone. Let's go over the key features. Once connected, the app gives you a real-time camera feed so you can see exactly what the drone sees. Switch between different shooting modes and fine-tune settings to get the perfect shot. For example, follow mode adjusts the follow distance and height. Other modes customize distance, altitude, and rotation for more control. You can fly the drone manually using on-screen controls. While the range is shorter than with the RC2 remote, it's perfect for quick, simple shots. Not sure how a mode works? The app includes short video previews so you can see a visual example before using it. The app even supports voice commands. While I didn't use this feature much, you can easily review your shots in the built-in gallery. Plus, with transfer speeds up to 30 megabytes per second, you can quickly download footage to your phone. For the full flight experience, use the DJI RC2 remote controller. Here's how to get started. Simply power on both the drone and the remote. They will automatically connect, ensuring a seamless setup. Open the DJI Fly app to access additional settings and customization options. Left stick, ascend, descend, and rotate. Right stick, move forward, backward, left, or right. gimbal and camera controls. Adjust tilt and switch shooting modes directly from the remote. Stable flight performance. DJI's latest transmission system minimizes lag for responsive control. Advanced settings. Customize flight speed, gimbal behavior, and camera controls for a tailored flight experience. Obstacle avoidance. Front infrared sensors detect obstacles and brake automatically, adding an extra layer of safety. The DJI Fly app works seamlessly with the RC2, giving you access to shooting modes and manual camera controls, resolution and frame rate adjustments, flight safety, transmission settings, and more. Flying with the RC2 remote unlocks the full potential of the DJI Flip drone, giving you precise control, smooth performance, and professional-grade shots with ease. One of the key factors in any drone experience is battery life, and the DJI Flip delivers up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery. Charging your batteries. To keep your drone powered up and ready to fly, the DJI charging hub holds up to 4 batteries and charges them one by one. However, if you use a 65 watts fast charger, the hub can charge 2 batteries simultaneously, reducing downtime and keeping you in the air longer. The DJI Flip offers plenty of shooting modes, resolutions, and frame rates, but here are the key features to focus on for your first flight. 4K video at 60 FPS captures smooth and detailed footage with crisp clarity. Slow motion mode at 4K 100 FPS, perfect for dramatic, cinematic shots with ultra smooth motion. Vertical shooting mode, optimized for social media content, making it easy to share on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. 48 megapixels photos, shoot high-resolution still images with excellent detail and sharpness. These modes will help you get the best shots right away, whether you're filming action, landscapes, or social media content. The DJI Flip drone is an incredible all-in-one tool that balances portability, smart features, and high-quality video recording. It is designed to be intuitive and beginner-friendly, but also powerful enough for professional-level footage. Whether you're using it in a hand-controlled mode for quick shots or with the RC2 remote for full-fledged flights, it's designed to make drone videography and photography as easy as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments below. If you want a deeper look at the DJI Flip, check out my detailed review on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more drone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy flying!